Welcome back to my channel. This is another video of how to repair a charging system for Tecno Camon 18, Tecno Ch6. Yeah, I'm showing you where the charging eyes are located from this board. This is our motherboard. It is okay, it is new, never been repaired before, so this is the first time to repair this. And this is where our eyes, charging eyes, is located. Okay, there, when it is cleaned, now I can see, as I'm showing you, the fault here. That is the damper ice, which is damping the 5 voltage from here to this from this capacitor to that resistor. So you have to put a jumper. Yes, you have to put a jumper from that resistor to that to that ice. Yeah, it means the power from the power of voltage 5 is from this black resistance to this black ice. Then that capacitor is from the terminal, the battery terminal. So I'm showing you how to jump there. I put a jumper from this capacitor to that. So then we are going to test. When the power from the charging, it ends from to this capacitor. So that ice is the one with that task to jump the power, 5 voltage power, to the other black capacitor. You get me? Then that black capacitor pass the power into. So I tested it, and things doesn't go well. So I decided to remove that very ice, the damper ice. I decided to remove it, and I removed it. I decided to jump, or to put a jumper from here to the other side. So remember, when that ice is still there, you might end up burning the phone. So it is recommended to remove the ice, so that you put a jumper. So I'm showing you where the power is from that side. That ice is from there. So I think you've seen it before. Now we are going to test. I have to put the camera back because I tested it. It was okay. I have to put the camera back so that I test it when it is assembled. That is our board. That is CH6 Camon 18. So after putting my jumper, I decided to put back the paste. Yeah, so there I'm trying to put it back. As I'm working alone, I have to hold the camera. So remember to subscribe to my channel. So I'll be uploading every every day a video. I'll be uploading every day a full tutorial on how to do something. So remember to subscribe and put a bell. There, I'm done with that. So I have to put back the battery. Now we are going to test. We are going to test. If you have that Tecno Camon 18, Camon 19, that is the solution. Camon 19T, Camon 18T, Camon 18P, and then Camon 18. So that is the solution on how to repair it. There we go. Yeah, that is it. Then the phone is okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting. Let us meet in next video.